My name is Tom Denman. I'm a lift operator for Portland Container Repair. We're a shipping, repair, and storage facility.
My name is Todd Randall. I work with Portland Container Repair here in Portland, Oregon, and I'm the fleet maintenance manager. It's a key piece of equipment for us. I haven't had any downtime with it, and it's been an excellent run.
It runs all day long. It's fuel efficient. There's a lot of technology in this machine, which is wonderful.
The build quality on it's excellent, and the unit has completely fulfilled every expectation that we've had.
Lift cans all day long.